Hey there. Today, I want to chat about something pretty cool I've been diving into called Risk-Based Conditional Access. The buzz around it is real, and it's a massive deal within Azure Active Directory. So, let's get into why it's a game changer and how it empowers organizations like ours. You see, at the heart of any robust security strategy is the ability to recognize and respond to potential threats before they cause harm. Now, risk-based conditional access takes this concept to a level where not only does the system assess who's trying to access something, but it also considers where they're trying to access it, why, and how risky it is to grant them access based on this intel. Simply put, it brings SOFC to the table. Back in the day, everything boiled down to whether you had the right username and password. It was like the bouncer at the door of a popular club, not particularly discerning and all that. That's not how things work in the fast lane anymore, my friend. Our environment has become more dynamic, and so the security measures had better catch up. So, how does risk-based conditional access actually protect an organization? Let me break it down. Imagine someone wanting to access the Azure AD from an odd location, let's say, Ukraine during winter, at midnight. Seems fishy, right? RCA makes it so, and automatically steps up the game. Depending on the risk level, it can enforce stricter authentication or even block the attempt altogether, protecting company assets like the crown jewels. Now, risk assessment in RCA isn't some superhuman act of judgment. It's super data-driven. It analyzes multiple signals about the context like user behavior, location, device trustworthiness, and more. Think of these as the DNA markers that signal a high risk, a match for potential threats. It means we are not just throwing up a barrier. We are smart, we are adaptive and strategic. Implementing RCA within Azure AD is where things get even more intriguing. It takes the form of conditional access policies. These are not your run-of-the-mill policies, they evolve. Policies for accessing sensitive data might differ from policies for casual browsing. And the beauty of it? It's seamless. We needn't set up policies by hand, RCA does the heavy lifting, adjusting access dynamically. And let's not forget the power players here, technologies like ADS, conditional access policies, and intelligence. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the muscle and brain of RCA. Each aspect interlocks to form a cohesive defense mechanism, ensuring that only when a user's request aligns with our security stance, they're granted access. Now, navigating risk-based conditional access within Azure AD is akin to a ballet, intricate and delicate. Microsoft has rolled out a fantastic platform that not only automates these processes, but also allows us to tweak and tune as we see fit. It means we can stay one step ahead, dynamically adjusting as the threat landscape evolves. The strategic importance of adopting risk-based conditional access within Azure AD for organizations can't be overstated. It's not just about protecting data, it's about future-proofing our security posture, ensuring business continuity, and fostering trust. For a cloud architect, it's like having the right map at sea. You can navigate through storms with confidence, knowing that RCA will guide you to safety. In the end, risk-based conditional access isn't just about fortifying our bastion against threats, it's about enabling our organization to sail smoothly on the Azure seas, where risk is just an ordinary storm but one we've got the right maps to navigate through. For those intrigued by risk-based conditional access and eager to learn more about its impact and strategic significance, I highly recommend taking a deeper dive with the Azure Active Directory docs. They're a treasure trove. And hey, if you are even considering a leap into Azure AD security, sign up for the TechLab channel at neeraj.qzz.io. I'll be spilling insights left and right, and you won't want to miss out on what I'm uncovering. Drop me a line, and let's keep exploring this brave new world of security together. Until next time, stay curious and secure. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more fascinating insights into technology and where it's bringing us.